Hello students, today we will learn lesson 4 community games. So the community has given rise to games. To relax and spend free time, people have made games a means. So games build the relationships among individuals in a community. So it provides an opportunity for elders and youngsters of the community to play together. So any type of physical and mental activity performed at home or outside according to some set of rules or conditions to derive pleasure and to get good health, these are called games. So this has definitely increased the harmony in the community by being responsible for all to play and enjoy together. So you can observe in the pictures, these people do this every day without fail. So what these people are doing, let us find out. So they are practicing yoga, gym, dancing, playing. So performing all these activities in our day-to-day life every day, we can maintain our health. So physical and mental health will develop if games, yoga and physical exercise are done as per the need regularly. So the body will be strong and the weight of the body can be maintained. So the body will also look beautiful if it has a good physical structure. Not only that, it increases our self-confidence also. So free time will be utilized beneficially and we can be active and happy always as games give entertainment and happiness. So are only we benefited from games? No. National and international games help to build friendship and cooperation with other states and countries. So which also helps to improve the bond between different countries. Now let us see some of the international games. Cricket, boxing, basketball, long jump. So these are few international games. Now let us see how the games are differentiated. That is, let us see the types of games. So we have individual games. So games are played by a player alone against an opponent. So such type of games are called individual games. Example for this type of games are skipping, cycling. So only one person will play. So if at all they want to compete with another, so one individual person will compete with the opponent. Now let us see what are team games. A team or group of players play against another group of players. So such type of games are called team games. Example for this type of games are cricket, hockey, etc. Now let us see another type of games, that is adventure games. So games which provide excitement and a special experience with special physical competence are called adventure games. So these games offer challenge to reach the goal in not so common situations. These games need a lot of preparation, speed, skill, training and physical exercising to meet the new challenges it has to offer. So such games provide lot of happiness, determination to face dangers, mental stability, physical fitness and entertainment. But before practicing in such games, all the necessary special equipment have to be procured and required skills have to be developed. So cautions need to be followed. So now let us see some of the adventure games. So in the picture you can observe rock climbing, skydiving, river rafting, cycling and mountaineering. So these are some of the adventure games. Now let us see another type of games, that is native games. Simple games usually designed and played by people in a given region as per their own rules are called native games. So the rules may vary from place to place. There are sometimes called traditional games. Example, hide and seek and kabaddi. So these are some of the native games. Now let us see what are the benefits of games. So By playing the games, we get pleasure and relaxation, maintain good health, physical strength and fitness. So it helps to develop team spirit and friendship. It also develops social skills like mutual understanding, respect, cooperation, etc. So we can spend leisure time meaningfully. It also helps to bring glory to parents, school and nation. And it also develops good personality. So these are some of the benefits of games. Now let us see the factors that has to be considered while playing the games. We need to know the miles or conditions of the game. We need to respect the partners and the opponents. Do not argue or fight with the opponents. Use all the required equipments to play the game. Have sportsman spirit and play for joy, relaxation and recreation. Okay students, we have completed with chapter 4. Community games. Go through the video and try to understand the concepts. Thank you.